Hey, this is Rob from Studio88. I'm talking today about how we keep our studios organised. We have two very different studio spaces here at 88. Studio A is our code space and Studio B our natural light space. Both have very different requirements for keeping kit organised. In Studio A, we keep the studio clear and the kit stored nearby. There's just not enough room for all the equipment and the crew at the same time. We use hooks to hold our ever-growing collection of easy open softboxes. We keep our kit organised using racking, one for heads and triggers and another for shapers. I've seen so many different solutions for lighting stands, from trolleys to stashing them under a staircase to keeping them in stand bags, but ultimately for me it was about getting them off the floor where they're accessible but not in the way. We use two PiXAPRO heavy duty wall mounted racks for our lighting stands. They hold everything from a C-stand to a floor stand. They're brilliant. All this means it's all good to go at a moment's notice with minimal fuss. You can rig a light very quickly. Back in the studio, we keep our paper backgrounds up off the ground to keep them clean and held up with foam dividers. Our permanently built softboxes are stored on the wall using PiXAPRO S-type wall brackets to keep them out of the way until needed. Studio B is a different type of studio. Where hanging the kit off the walls or permanent racking just won't work. There's nowhere to really hide it. Every wall is a potential background. So here we use the PiXAPRO heavy duty stand rack. It holds so much equipment. 8 heads and 14 stands, all of different sizes. There's plenty of room on this stand rack and it doesn't feel unbalanced when fully loaded. The casters are robust and have brakes, so once you've parked it, that's where it's staying. It's a high quality metal construction, screwed together with hex bolts. It's solid, but not heavy. 8 baby pins to mount your heads on, and generous but secure notches to hold your stands. Even on our characterful floor, it rolls easily and doesn't want to go over. The stands just swing away, but are not enough to clatter off each other. It's really manoeuvrable, so just moves through the studio with ease. But my favourite feature has to be the simplest. It just goes through a door. It's been well designed. You don't have to tick all the kit off to get it through a door, it just rolls through. Brilliant. Well, there you go. That's what we do here at 88 to keep our kit accessible but not in the way. Thanks for watching.